So this month is National Soup Month, and today's video is going to be a cozy bowl of Mexican-inspired Crockpot Pinto beans. So keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, like I said, today we are going to be making a very hearty bowl of Mexican-inspired pinto bean soup. It is a hearty soup. It's very budget friendly and it's packed with flavor, just using simple ingredients that are just pantry staples, honestly. It's just a dump everything in the crock pot, let it simmer on low and slow, and you've got a warm, comforting soup, perfect for all those chilly days. So let's stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and we'll get started. Alrighty, so we have some oregano, chili powder, garlic, pinto beans, diced tomatoes with green chilies, some white sweet corn, a onion, cumin, chicken broth, and salt and pepper. And that is all the ingredients we're going to be using today, plus our crock pot. Friends, let me just interrupt one quick second. I forgot to add this in the ingredients. I thought I had it out and I didn't. Smoked paprika. I will make sure I put it in the recipe will have it at the end in the description box, and I'll also put it on the screen when I review all the ingredients, so make sure that you have it. But I totally forgot to grab this out. Alrighty, like I said, friends, this is a dump and go. I took my can of beans and I rinsed them off really well. You want to get all that juice out and rinse them. I lost my spatula, hold on. Alrighty. And I have my one onion that I cut up, so we're going to put that in there. I have 1 cup of frozen corn. I like the white sweet corn. I just think it just has a better flavor, but that's totally up to you. I have 1 can of tomatoes with chili peppers, juice and all. I have 4 cups of chicken broth. I was just sneezing a few minutes ago. I took a drink of water and it went down the wrong way and I was coughing and gagging, then I started sneezing. So I apologize if I sound congested. And now we're going to do a teaspoon of chili powder. A teaspoon of cumin. I'm actually going to do a little less than a teaspoon of cumin because cumin is not my favorite. Then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of oregano and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a little bit of salt and pepper for taste, and then we're going to add in 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to give it a really good stir. Now, I am making this and I'm taking it to my sister's house. And we'll do a taste test when we eat dinner, and you'll be able to see what the entire family thinks of it, or those who like pinto beans that are going to try it. Alrighty, we're going to go ahead and put the lid on here. I'm going to cook mine on low for 6 to 8 hours, since we're going to have this later tonight for dinner. You can cook it on high for 3 to 4 hours if you'd like. So I'm taking this to my sister's and I'm going to share it at dinner tonight. So we're going to be doing a taste test. So you'll be seeing me at my sister's house up next. So for me, it'll be, later this evening, but for you, it'll be up next. All right, Poppy's going to try our pinto bean soup. See what he thinks of it. That's a clear plastic spoon.
Okay. Is it hot?
Yeah, it's very high. It's been in the crock pot.
Okay. Here goes nothing.
They're on their bed. They were right behind me. I waited for them.
Does it need anything?
I've been going to a Russian class. I really like her too, but she's like very simple stuff, like crazy stuff. But like, I'm fine. Russian, yeah. It's like a style. Like, so like,
Little salt and pepper wouldn't hurt.
Little salt and pepper wouldn't
Wouldn't
hurt.
hurt.
I did put a tiny bit in, but I didn't put a lot in.
Well, the thing is, you don't know because everybody don't like it the
Yeah,
same.
exactly.
I'm a salt and pepper person. I'm a heat person. So I like mine. Oh, you got some corn in it.
Yeah.
Well, I wonder how I knew that. Must be them
So
tasty.
what do you think? Does it have any spice at all to it? Because I haven't tried it yet. I don't know.
Well, it's hard to say. Oh, thank you, Bill. It's hard to say with me because I can eat spicy stuff that the average
That's
person.
true. That's true.
Tanya gave me some
I'm fine with it. Like, I
spaghetti. It's hot. It's hot. I ate it. I had to add.
More
No, I already had.
pepper flakes or Tabasco?
Well, the flakes.
Yeah.
Have a big can of. Man, I'm dumping that stuff in there. Still wasn't hot enough. No. So I ate it anyway. You know. But yeah, I put some pepper. You know, pepper's good for you. Hot peppers.
Yeah.
Prolongs your life.
I get it.
People might not know that, but yeah, you can. Once you get used to it, it's the esophagus. You know,
We'll
but
taste
one,
it again and see what you think after you add your salt and pepper. Doesn't matter for us because we suck.
okay.
guys will take the division. You should. No problem. Yeah, help out a little. Yeah, they have. A little bit more salt. Yeah, there goes the spice with him. He loves the spice. Yeah, leave Ty Rogers is 42 playing with a broken hand. Okay, well, you know what every other player does.
Okay.
Alright, now you're gonna do it again. Third time's a charm.
No, if it ain't right now, I'm gonna give it up.
It is, I know. But he also is wine.
Ready?
Can you taste the beans and all? 77.
Yeah.
They're replacing him. What?
What about?
Better?
Oh, okay. Back to throat, I got a little heat.
Oh,
A
good.
little of the pepper.
Awesome.
Oh, he's
But it's not my stomach yet.
He started
He's just too big. He's got to leave.
Yeah, I'll go for it.
You can go for that? Okay. Well, I need to try it. Let me take a taste. Here, you can hold the camera. Hold it right there. Don't move it. There you go. All right. Dad's holding the camera, friends. So I'm going to take a quick taste. Not bad. I feel like you need to squish some of the beans, like maybe add.
Well, you need softer beans and they're
Yeah, well-
stiff.
I think I would add a smaller can of beans and squish it and then put it in because
Right.
it's a little watery, but it's got a really good flavor. I think adding squished beans will work well. So
That's the way I do my lima bean soup.
yeah,
Yeah, squish it,
yeah,
potato masher, and
yep,
yeah, but you
perfect.
didn't use that on this.
Yep, okay.
Okay, got it. What?
All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today.
Oh.
Thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't already, hit that little subscribe button. Don't forget, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. See ya.